So we job on here. What we've done is stripped off all the loose plaster everywhere. So some fun things to do here. All loose there, but the rest is absolutely solid. Some mad stuff going on as well. Where this was like all bonded out straight in their brown coat or something. This wall here is going to get insulated board and come right out. Basically every wall, more or less every wall is going to get re-skimmed anyway, just for decoration. And then obviously we're taking off all the loose, so it's going to be pretty solid. Just finishing chipping the last wee bits off here, just to that corner. And then this wall gets gutted and scratched again. Pretty bad shape that way. Let me see what's in here to do. I think there is one wee bit here, so it gets pretty tight there. So I'll probably run the grinder around that square and pop that wee bit off. Then the rest just getting tidied up for tighter, I think, and then probably just re-skim it all. Don't know if that head's loose or not. That head needs to come off. Again, kitchen's dead on, so nothing's getting touched there. Again, re-skimming all these walls. To watch my step here. That wall there's getting insulated board on it. Again, re-skim, float and skim this one. So, well, scud, float, insulated board. Need to peel all this paint off because if you plaster over flaky paint, your plaster will flake off too. So all the outside walls really getting insulated board, bar the one wall downstairs going to get patched up with satin cement and then just re-skimmed. Again, this room, quite a wee bit of messing about to do. Probably put a wee bit of board over that and then just mesh that and float that and skim it. When I say float and skim, I do mean scud, scratched and skimmed. But yeah, need to tidy that back up again. Need to take all these off loose so we can actually skim around the box nice and neat. Again, that's going to be insulated board for us. So I'll probably do a few wee videos in amongst all this work. If there's anything you're really interested in, let me know ASAP. Otherwise I'll have this place plastered out and I won't be able to make them videos. So if you have anything specific, you let me know very quick. But yeah, next video that I have planned for this will be maybe a couple of wee skimming ones and a couple of wee scudding ones and maybe floating, and just show you just like an after of the whole house. Again, no ceilings are being done, so don't need to worry about ceilings, just all walls, just the walls. But yeah, that's this wee house. Just be 2-bedroom house. So. Right guys, so we wanted to get on a bit further, but stuff took a bit of time to come. So it is what it is. Got a lot of scudding done here. Just to show you, but again, if I can, I'll get some footage of doing the rendering here. Obviously, like I said earlier, this outside wall here, it's getting boarded and it's going to be insulated board, so just needs bead and scrim taped. Again, I would have liked that boarded before float, but I think we're going to end up having floating done up here. And to show you that wall all scudded and that all scudded. So up above here is all just timber. There's actually a wee bit of plasterboard in there, so we just meshed over it. I think that's actually an 8-inch mesh, or it's at least 6-inch anyway. So that's over the timber and over whatever bits of board there, and over this. The only thing is, I might need to run a grinder over it tomorrow, just depending on what way this is filing, you know, or I might have to come up over this frame a little bit. I'll know better when I get satin cement on that wall. Again, it's done pretty well. All the ceilings washed down, as the ceilings aren't getting done, so don't need just scraped, they need washed as well. The walls not so much, just good scraping through them because they're going to get at least PVA'd and skimmed, maybe SBR or maybe grit. Do have it PVA for them. We're running out of stuff here, so we're just going to leave it as is. There's not much left to go on that. Again, wanted to say that this wall here was pretty wobbly a touch, and that's God's only done an hour. That's already firmed up. Like, I mean, see if I did that, if I had done that there an hour ago, that would just all be wobbling. This wall's not supporting anything. In fact, there's not even a wall below, so it's probably built on a timber or steel, hopefully a steel. Or they've knocked a wall or something through. So this wall doesn't actually hold the roof. I'm pretty sure in these old houses it's the back and front wall holes, and then timbers go that way, and then there's also timber purlin sits somewhere on the chimney breasts across, which does all the support. But it just shows you when the plaster says the plaster's holding these walls up, and naturally this wall was proper wobbly tooth, and that's cavities are filled. So that's it sorted for another 40-50 years, no doubt. And again, yeah, if you just want to see anything before I get too far on, now's the time to let me know.